How to buy Coach, the Coach AI token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to take a look on their X account to be able to keep following their updates about their account, their token, sorry. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going and find it on the screener. If you don't have an account with it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token, it's increased by 85,000% in the last 24 hours. And the last 1 hour, this token is increased by 32%. Now, as you can see, the liquidity is 99% locked. That means your investment in the safe place. And the market cap is $4.6 million. Now, after that, as you can see, this token is under Ethereum network. Now copy it to token address and go and open your Bitget wallet. As you can see, go to your wallet. Now here, select from the network the Ethereum network. Now click on the plus button, as you can see, and paste the token address, as you can see here. Now click on plus button. Now after that, go back to your wallet to be able to find your token. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now click on swap. From here, switch to be able to buy it. Now select your token to buy with, for example, USDT. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds, and this is how much you will receive of that token. Just click here on buy and you will be able to buy Coach token. So this is how to buy Coach token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.